Hi everyone! In this week's Tested Tuesday video, I'm going to be reviewing shampoo bars and soaps by a brand called Godai. I've been testing out their Elements gift set for the last 2 months, so I really wanted to do an in-depth review on these and really give them a chance. So I really want to thank the people from Godai for sending me these and allowing me to try them out. I was so excited to try them out when I looked at the website and I saw that all the products were vegan, organic, cruelty-free, GMO-free. I was like, oh yes, yes please. And all natural too, I love that. So yes, I was really excited. Needless to say, I am just gonna be honest, it's not because I got sent these for free that I'm necessarily going to be positive about them. Whether I buy something myself or I get it for free, I'm a grateful person, but I'm also an honest person, so if I don't like it, I don't like it, you know, I'm sorry. But yes, let's get on with the review. First of all, I love this packaging, guys. Look how beautiful that gift set is. Anyone who would receive this as a gift, I think, would be very happy. Never mind that my box is a little jacked up. I have a mailbox that's in my door, so if you put something heavy in it, it falls from quite a height onto the floor. There's nothing to catch it. So yeah, that's my fault. But since it's for me, it doesn't really matter, but it's a really beautiful packaging. So this gift set has 5 different soaps in here, which are soaps and shampoo bars, so you can use it on your hair and your skin, which is really nice. And they are 5 different elements, so we have sky, wind, fire, water, and earth. I'm gonna give you a little bit of information on the ingredients in these, and guys, I wish you could smell these. Oh, they are so delicious. Sorry, but I can't stop sniffing these. I love having them in my bathroom because even though they're not scented like super strong, you do smell it. The purple one is Sky and it says Organic Calm. I love the individual packaging as well. And it's made with organic lavender, eucalyptus, and orange essential oils. The next one is Wind and it says Nourishing Clarity. And I really love how the packaging also hints to the elements. So we have wind and then we have clouds and kites, which is really clever, I think. And this one is made with organic rice bran oil, turmeric, and ginseng. Oh, I love these scents. And then this one is water. It says Renewing Hydration. And this is what the box looks like. And this one is made with organic almond oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Then we have Fire, which says Rejuvenating Energy. And this is the box. And this one is made with organic rosemary and lemon essential oils and avocado oil. And then last but not least, we have the Earth soap, which says Natural Exfoliation. This is what it looks like. And this one is unscented and for sensitive skin, and it has a little bit of an exfoliant in it. And this one is made with French clay, organic sugar, and organic shea butter. I have been using shampoo bars occasionally, but I've always kind of felt like my hair felt weird and my scalp felt weird after using it. So I always felt like I hadn't found the right one for my hair and scalp, or maybe it wasn't for me. So even though I was really excited about trying these, I was sort of not expecting much. I know that sounds bad, but I don't mean it like that. I just didn't have high expectations because I haven't had, you know, great successes with shampoo bars before, which is also why I had to look on their website to see if they had any tips on how to use them, or, you know, some more information. And I was blown away by the information on the website. I love it when a brand does that. There's so much information, tips on how to use it, tips on what to do when, you know, you get a waxy feeling, which is what I always got with other shampoo bars. Things you can try, how to use it with longer hair. Also a lot of information on the ingredients, etc., etc., which I think is pretty awesome. So I got a lot of information out of that. The website actually mentioned quite a few things you could try if you did get that waxy feeling like I always do with shampoo bars. And one of the things it said was to use an apple cider vinegar rinse, which you guys know if you've been following me for a while that I do this regularly anyway to remove buildup from my hair. And I had been wanting to try using an apple cider vinegar rinse after washing my hair with a shampoo bar because I already thought it might make a difference. So since the website confirmed that idea, I decided to use the shampoo bars with an apple cider vinegar rinse, and let me just tell you how that went. So the way I've been using these shampoo bars is I wet my hair, then I rub the shampoo bar in between my wet hands and get the product on my hands, and then use my hands to spread it out on my hair and scalp and massage it in. Do that a couple of times until I feel like I've used enough product, which is also another mistake I used to make with other shampoo bars. I used to grab the block and just put it over my head, and that's not how you're supposed to do it apparently, which is also something I learned from the Godai website, so thank you for that. Yes, so yeah, then I rinse it out with water, then I use an apple cider vinegar rinse, and on the website they suggested to do 1 unit of apple cider vinegar on 3 units of water, which is what I did, but I did some more because, you know, I have really long hair. So just rinse my hair with that, rinse it some more with water, and then I always use conditioner on my hair. So I did that now too, but only on my length. So I use the shampoo on my scalp, a little bit on my length, and then I use the conditioner on my length only, not on my scalp. And so yeah, and then of course a final rinse, and make it a very good rinse. You want to make sure you rinse your hair very, very well. So the first time when I used one of these shampoo bars, I sort of got that feeling while I was washing my hair already. I was like, it's beginning to feel that way, that way that I don't like. But I was like, maybe it'll be better when it's dry. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as usual, but of course I did also use the apple cider vinegar rinse, and I didn't use the full block on my hair, but I just, you know, put some on my hands, so I'm sure that helped. But I did get that waxy feeling that I really don't like, so I was a bit disappointed, like, oh, there we go again. But you know, I said I was gonna use all 5 of them, so I'm gonna do that. And then the next time was completely different. My hair felt so much better, my scalp did too. The only thing was that I still had like a small patch, like exactly in the back of my head, that still felt a little waxy. But I was quite happy because I was like, okay, it's not all the way, it's just a little patch, so maybe I didn't rinse that properly. So the next time, I'm gonna make sure to put the apple cider vinegar specifically in that spot a little more. And I did that, and from the 3rd time, everything was fine. No more waxy feeling, everything was great. So I do think that my hair and scalp needed a little adjustment period. And also the apple cider vinegar rinses do help for me. So I was surprised. I was very surprised. I was pleasantly surprised. So yeah, I was very surprised by that because I thought my hair and scalp would never, you know, like shampoo bars because I had tried quite a few times in the past. But apparently I just needed to stick with it, and before I gave up quickly. I tried it and it was like, oh, it doesn't feel nice, I'll just go back to my regular shampoo. And then a couple of weeks later I would try it again, but I would never do a few washes in a row with just shampoo bar. So I never really gave my hair and scalp the opportunity to get used to it because I just gave up really easily. And also maybe these particular ones are just way better than the ones I've tried so far. that's possible too. My surprise didn't just stop there, it got even better. What happened was I was curious to see what would happen if I would wash my hair with my regular bottled shampoo that was not natural again, and then the next time I would wash my hair, I would wash it with one of these shampoo bars again. I was wondering if I would get that waxy feeling back right away. But what I didn't expect was that when I washed my hair with my regular shampoo, I didn't like what it did to my hair at all. I didn't like how my hair felt anymore with the regular shampoo. I felt it was super dry and I needed to use a leave-in, and it was heavier, and yeah. I've never really thought of that before, but yes, I do need to use a leave-in, and especially products on my ends as well when I use a regular shampoo. And I never really thought about that. It's been normal for such a long time for me to do that, that I just thought that my hair needed it, but apparently, apparently the regular shampoos really dry out my hair, and the Godai shampoo bars, I think it has something to do with the fact that there's oils in those shampoo bars and that they're all natural, that they just nourish your hair from within, and that a regular shampoo sort of cleans your hair but in a harsher way, and it doesn't do anything to moisturize your hair. So that was very interesting. I was really not expecting that. So now I'm not saying I'm never going to use bottled shampoo anymore, but I kind of don't want to. I kind of want to stick to these because they are awesome. My hair loves them. So yeah, that was very interesting. And the next time I used the shampoo bars again, I did not get the waxy feeling back at all. So my hair and scalp are used to it, and apparently will continue to be used to it. I also used them on my body to see how, oh, I just got a whiff of, oh, they smell so good, guys. They smell so good. That is one thing. I don't really have anything negative to say about them at all. The only thing that I would change if I could is that I would like the scents to linger more, because I love them so much, and I would like my skin to smell like that and my hair to smell like that. But you know, that's just a small thing. And speaking of skin, so I did wash my body with them a couple of times to test that out as well. And again, I didn't really have high expectations. I was like, okay, it's a soap. I mean, yeah. You know, can that be anything special for my skin? I mean, I love it on my hair, but my skin is not difficult, but my skin tends to dry out really badly. Now, if I'm being honest, that's also kind of my own fault, because I always use water that's way too hot, and I know that's not good for your skin, but I just love the feeling of it so much. So yeah, I do get dry skin, and with soap bars, I really can't use soap bars because they dry out my skin even more. Even when they're specifically meant to be used on your skin and not just for your hands, and they're super expensive, they always end up being used just as hand soap, because my skin is like, I don't think so. So I thought, okay, they're, you know, it's gonna be the same, but I'm gonna give them a go. Guys, I'm not kidding. I am not kidding you. I love them on my skin. They hydrate my skin. Again, I think it has to do with the fact that they're all natural, but also because they have the oils in them. My skin, usually when I get out of the shower or out of the bathtub, I need to put like layers of body butter or body mousse or body lotion on, and my skin just drinks it up because it's so dry. I don't have to do that when I use these. I can if I want to, but I don't have to. My skin is like super soft, but also you could feel that it's moisturized and hydrated without having, it's not like it's greasy or anything, but you do feel that, I don't know, it's just, it feels really good. It feels so much better than with than even with shower gels that are supposed to be hydrating. So I'm like, how come I've never heard of this brand before? I'm in awe. So yeah, I mean, I know I'm being insanely enthusiastic and excited and positive about this, but I actually felt like I had to tone it down a little, because otherwise you guys might think, well, she got these for free and that's why she's being so ridiculously positive. But no guys, honestly, I had no idea I was going to be this excited about them. I thought I would like the scent and the packaging and the colors and everything, but they wouldn't be, you know, they wouldn't work well on my hair, and I thought it would dry my skin out like every other soap I've ever tried pretty much. So I just couldn't believe it, and the more I use it, the better it gets. So I am so happy. The blocks are so thick. I mean, I love that too. They're so big, guys. You get so much value. They're gonna last a long time, which I love because I am totally in love with these. I need some more. I mean, these are so good. I want everyone I know to try these out, because I wonder if everyone's gonna be as positive as me. So yeah, and I would definitely give this brand a go, because the ingredients, it's no wonder it's so good when you look at all the ingredients that are in here. And I just love everything they stand for, you know, cruelty-free, vegan, organic, you know, the packaging, it's better for the environment and everything. So that's everything that I care about, really. So I'm super happy that I found this brand. Well, I didn't find them, they found me. Thank you for finding me. Yes. But anyway, I really hope this video was helpful to you if you were wondering about this brand, or if you were looking for a good soap or a good shampoo bar or a wonderful gift set. I should have done this before Mother's Day. Oh, that would have been a great Mother's Day gift. But yeah, I'm too late. Mother's Day is tomorrow. Well, Mother's Day will already be over when this video is published. But anyway, if you did like it, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!